Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about 4 tips you can do to help alleviate tight muscles. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is why you are experiencing muscle tightness. If you have recently started a workout program and you might have hit it a little bit too hard, you can be left with DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, that is leaving you feeling achy, and it's actually probably preventing you from wanting to go back to the gym. Maybe you are experiencing tight, stiff muscles or even muscle spasm or cramping due to high stress and low amounts of magnesium in your diet. Also, it could be just something that you're doing every single day, a repeated behavior that is eventually leading to a muscle imbalance that's causing you to have sore, tight muscles. So let's talk about how you can alleviate that. So the first tip I'm going to offer you is stretching. Now, just doing simple stretches every single day can really help with your flexibility, your range of motion, and decrease muscle soreness. So if you are doing a workout or you just got involved in a fitness program or you've been doing fitness programs for a very long time, stretching should be part of your regular routine. I personally recommend stretching after your workout is completed and hold stretches for anywhere between 15 and 30 seconds and allow the muscle to release, not forcing yourself into the stretch, not bouncing into the stretch, but just slowly and progressively moving a little bit deeper into the stretches. Another great option for stretching is PNF stretching. This is when you would contract or stretch the muscle to a certain amount, the end range, so as far as you can stretch the muscle, and then you are going to contract that muscle, so activate it, and then again, after 10 seconds of activation, release the muscle, allow it to relax, and you can actually get a further stretch by doing PNF stretching. That is typically done with a partner. So if you have somebody that's willing to help you get a little bit deeper into a stretch, that can be a really great option. Another option is reciprocal inhibition. So what you're going to do is instead of activating the muscle that's already sore and tight, you're going to activate the opposite. So if you are stretching the hamstrings laying down on the ground, you would bring your legs straight up to that 90-degree angle. And then you would actually activate the quad. So you'd squeeze the front of your leg by pulling your leg closer to your face. And then you would hold it for 10 seconds, just like PNF stretching, and then relax that muscle. Doing this, activating the opposite muscle group, may actually be better for you, especially if you're really stiff and sore and you don't want to activate that already agitated, inflamed muscle. The next tip I want to talk about is foam rolling. So foam rolling can be done with multiple different tools. This is just a foam roller I have here. I also use one of these, and before I had one of these, I would use a rolling pin at home. Tennis balls or baseballs can actually be really great too for releasing tight muscles in the shoulder, or even on the neck, or using it to assist yourself against a wall to apply pressure to tight muscles for myofascial release. Foam rolling is actually something I do as part of my routine care for my body. If I was disciplined enough, I would probably do some foam rolling at the end of the night. However, I have tried nighttime routines. They don't stick with me. I'm tired and I'm ready for bed. So this is now something that I do after I do yoga in the morning, just to release some tight areas. I know I hold more tension in my hips, so I really enjoy releasing the hips and TFL, IT bands, and quads, and even just rolling up and down through my back can really help. So listen to your body, try some stuff out. If you don't have a foam roller at home, you can always use a baseball or any type of ball that you may have laying around to really target those muscles. Another option to decrease muscle soreness post-workout is to take a contrast shower or a cold water bath. Either way, studies have shown that both of these techniques have decreased the amount of DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness, in athletes. So if you've done an intense workout, a way to recover quicker and get you back in the gym is to take a hot cold shower or just submerge yourself into some cold water. I know it doesn't sound the greatest, but you're really going to enjoy the fact that the next day you're going to be a lot less sore and you can continue to work towards your goals without taking a big break because your body is just too achy. The last thing I'm going to suggest is taking magnesium as a supplementation. Most people, well, 30% of people are actually getting enough magnesium. The rest of the population is actually a little deficient in magnesium, and it's a very important mineral. It helps with our muscle contractions and it helps with the relaxation phase. So if you are really tight or you're experiencing cramping or spasms, then take some magnesium. I swear you're gonna love it. Magnesium is a really good supplement to take before you go to bed because it relaxes your muscles and your mind, and it actually will help you fall asleep quicker. And so sometimes what prevents you from sleeping is your muscles just being tight and uncomfortable. So those are my tips for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. Let me know if you have some miracle tips and tricks that work to release your muscles. As a personal trainer, I highly suggest that this not become your routine for always taking care of sore muscles. If you are doing an exercise program that is causing too much stress on your body, it's not likely that you're going to continue that program. I highly suggest taking small progressions to achieving your goals, and so you might have to just adjust your workout program, the intensity, the repetitions, or the amount of weight that you're lifting in order for your body to recover. So another thing I highly suggest doing is getting enough sleep, allowing your muscles time to recover and recuperate. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.